Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a graduation puppy. So let's get started. To draw this cute puppy to celebrate graduation, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Nice big circle, make it extra cute. And then we're going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye, just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then let's come in between the eyes and draw a cute puppy nose. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a nice big curve. And then we're going to round it off on the sides. And connect it with a widened out V towards the center. And then let's come back right here at the top. And I'm just going to draw oval for a highlight. And shade everything else in. There. Then from there we're going to come straight down the center with a line. And then let's go up. We're going to curve up for a nice big happy smile right about here and cap it off. And same thing here on the other side. And cap it off. Then from there, let's see here, let's draw a tongue. So I'm going to come right about here. And here, we're going to center it and curve. And right here in the center, we're just going to flick a line straight down. There. Nice happy puppy, right? So then from here we're going to need to frame the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye and I'm just going to come out a little bit about right here. Same thing here. I'm just going to give myself a point, just a little bit, make it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And from there I'm just going to about right here, just going to angle a line where the eye is. And then about when I come down from the eye, I'm just going to pop it out a little bit of a curve. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can just angle it or just draw a straight line down. It's just a very subtle little detail. So something right like this. So same thing where the eye is, and then pop it out a little bit for the cheeks. There, just very subtle. Then from there, we're going to bring this curve down to say about right there where the tongue is. So I'm going to curve this down right here, and same thing here. So imagine being overlapped by the tongue, and once again just bring in this curve to finish it off. Then from there, let's see here, we need to bring this up, so let's angle a little bit more in past our brow. And so about right there, I'm going to go ahead and find my center. So say about right here. And I'm going to connect a curve. So there's just a soft curve all the way across for the top of our cap. And same thing here. There. If you don't like having two, you can always just draw one big curve. There's many different ways, I guess, you can draw it. There. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to continue this angle out to, let's see here, to say about right here. And same thing here. Just continue this angle And about right there, now that we're about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. All the way. There, so that's where it goes on the head, the cap. And then from there, we need to come back to this point right here and here, and we need to draw the top of our cap. So I'm going to find my center again and go up, say about, I'm just going to give myself a point, about right there. And we're going to connect two angles. So let's see, right? It's a little bit easier this way. I'm going to come down. So just play around with it, see which part is easier for you to draw first. But I'm going to come right here. It's easier for my hand to come down to about there, and I'm going to bring down the angle to here to connect it. So same thing here. We're going to connect this part, and we're going to bring down this part. So since I'm drawing kind of big, I'm just going to drag a point across. So let's say about right here, this point, and I'm going to connect it. So definitely turn your body or your paper. There, okay. So I have my angle and then bring it in. Right about here. Hopefully it will all come together and work. Okay, so it's just like a really wide diamond, right? There, so now we know our puppy has a graduation cap on, right? Pop this up a little bit higher. Okay, so then from there, we need to draw the tassel. So I'm just gonna have it coming down from here. I'm gonna curve and bring it straight down, pass, and then about right here, I'm just gonna draw a circle. And then the tassel part, just bring it down with a curve. And about right here, I'm just gonna connect it with a bunch of zigzags. And then from there, we need to draw the ears. So this is the part, I guess you could kind of play around with it, kind of what the kind of dog you like. And then you can change up the ears. But I'm gonna do draw one of those like floppy ears. So I'm gonna come right about here. I'm gonna curve it out, angle it. And then about right here, I'm going to curve it and bring it in. Bring it this part in. And I'm just going to connect it. Little point, soft point. Kind of like a golden retriever puppy, right? So then same thing here. So that's why I need to draw my tassel first. This is going to be overlapped. Now, same thing here. Just going to drag this point across, so approximate. And once again, we're going to angle out a tiny bit and then curve it in and connect. There. Okay, finally done. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come, let's say, underneath the eye, about right here. And same thing, about right here. Going to center it, and I'm going to come down at an angle. So this is a puppy, so we're not going to make it very tall. So then about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So curve it, angle it out, and then bring it in. Then from there, before we finish that, let's come back to about right here. And we're going to draw two curves. So this is going to be the front legs. Right here, so just take a look how long you want to make the legs, and then from there I'm going to come right here and draw and curve it out for a paw, curve, and then come down, and then let's just go ahead and connect everything. So come down and connect. So same thing here. So then we have that. Let's come right here and we draw 2 curves for some details, and here as well. Then from there, let's draw the back. So I'm going to kind of continue this angle, bring it out, round it off a little bit, and then bring it in. And then right about here, we're going to draw a curve for the back foot and tuck it in. Then 2 little lines right there, and same thing here. So in, and then just kind of curve it out a little bit. And once again, curve and connect. There. And then in between the hands, if you have any space, just add a little line. And I better not forget, I'm going to add a little tail right here and tuck it in. And last thing we want to add is, let's see, a medal. And so I'm going to come to, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, come down underneath the tongue, about right there towards the center, and then go right back up. And right about here, I want to kind of make it look like a ribbon. And then in the center right here, we're just going to add a big circle for our medal. So you can put whatever symbol you want on this medal for the graduate. But for mine, I'm just going to put a big heart there to make this my Draw So Cute graduation puppy. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today and that brought a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.